We are going to do the review on the flag stick and combo, or cup combo. It's for a golf hole. I have a chipping green in my backyard I've had for the last few years. And I always get a new flag every, I don't know, this would be 3 years ago. I got the other flag and it disintegrated. So now, comes with 3 poles. Should be the cup and the flag. Flag comes with a number 1 on there. Cool. Very cool. Alright. The cup. Supposed to put it together. Pointy end goes down. Phone call coming in. Like this, and it will go into the ground. This is the middle. Like this. And this part. And this has these where the flag's gonna get tied on, but it falls down. No worries, there's a little rubber bag right there. And the same thing down here. So what you want to do is you want to tie these on. Tie these up pretty good so your flag doesn't end up flying in the neighbor's yard or something. Tie those up real good. Set this here. Tie this up. And we're going to dig another hole this year. Put the placement somewhere else. Tie the middle one on the pole itself. I like to make it like a little bow. Now if you're in Boy Scouts or something, have a better knot to tie. Go ahead and then tie it. There's that. It's good enough for me. That's very thin material there. That's gonna shred in 1 year, but that's okay. There we go.